TechnoGimp. Let's be gray. Teach. Let's be gray. Software demo. Learners create a grayscale image using different tools in GIMP. List of topics. Using Grayscale. Using Decompose. Using color to gray. Using Desaturate. Using Mono Mixer. Materials. Computer. TechnoGimp workbook, pages 81 to 90. Have you seen a movie in black and white? Using Grayscale. The easiest way to convert an image to grayscale is by using the Grayscale tool. Open the image file, land&see.png. This image is an example of a colored image. To use the Grayscale tool, go to the menu bar and click on Image, Mode, Grayscale. Clicking on Grayscale automatically changes all the RGB colors of the photo to gray. Take note that no other adjustments can be made using this tool. Using Decompose. Another way to convert an image to grayscale is by using the Decompose tool. This tool decomposes color models like RGB, LCH, HSV, HSL, CMY, etc. into separate layers which are in different shades of grayscale. To use this tool, go to the menu bar and click on Colors, Components, Decompose. The Decompose dialog box will then appear. For the sample image. 1. The color model used was RGB. 2. Click on OK to begin decomposing the image. GIMP will notify you if the image cannot be decomposed using that color model. A new tab containing the grayscale version of the image will automatically be created. 3 separate layers will also be created: red, green, and blue, since the RGB color model was separated into 3 parts. The images below are other examples of decomposed color models. Take note that not all color models are available for decomposing. It still depends on the image you are editing. Using color to gray. The color to gray tool desaturates the image and converts the colors of the image to gray. To use this tool, go to the menu bar and click on Colors, Desaturate, Color to Gray. The image will automatically turn to grayscale. In the Color to Gray dialog box. 1. Edit the radius, samples, and iteration sliders to adjust some of the grayscale features of the photo. 2. Click on OK to apply the changes. Using Desaturate. The Desaturate tool can be used to convert all the colors of the selected layer to different shades of gray. To use this tool, go to the menu bar and click on Colors, Desaturate, Desaturate. The Desaturate dialog box will then appear. Mode in the settings is automatically set to luminance. However, you can select other modes to achieve a different grayscale look. In the example below, mode was changed to value, HSV, which made the poster look brighter. Click on OK to apply the changes. Using Mono Mixer. The Mono Mixer tool also desaturates an image to achieve a grayscale look. In addition, the grayscale features of the image can be edited using the RGB colors on the photo. To use this tool, go to the menu bar and click on Colors, Desaturate, Mono Mixer. In the Mono Mixer dialog box, use the 3 RGB channels mixer sliders: red channel multiplier, green channel multiplier, and blue channel multiplier to manipulate the grayscale tone. In the example below. 1. The red channel multiplier was decreased, which made the red pixels look darker. 2. You can try to adjust the green and blue channel multipliers as well. Then, 3. Click on OK to apply the changes. Processing questions. Based on the discussion, in your opinion, what is the best way to create a grayscale image? Check your understanding. We have discussed multiple ways on how to convert images to grayscale. You may choose the best way depending on the image you want to convert. In the next activity, we will be mastering how to convert images to grayscale.